So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up your beat selling business or your beat selling ecosystem, let's say. And you'll see what I mean by that right away. So basically the center of this business or core of this business, in my case anyways, is my YouTube channel. This is where I post all of my beats and basically where I get all of my new audience members from, my customers you could say, because the YouTube algorithm is really good at finding the right kind of people that are interested in your beats and provides you with consistent growth as long as you stay consistent with posting. So now you have your YouTube channel and you start posting every day or every week, however often you post. And so from your YouTube video and from your channel, you link to your beat store. And in my case, my beat store is on Beatstars. I personally like Beatstars a lot for many reasons, mainly because it has an algorithm of its own, where once you start getting some momentum going on there, then they start showing your beats to other people on Beatstars. So you got the power of the YouTube algorithm as well as the Beatstars algorithm. And now Beatstars also has some integrations and features, and one of the features is the free downloads option. And what this does is if people want to download your beat for free, they can do that, but they have to enter their email address. And now once they enter their email address, now you have their email, which is really valuable because now you can continue to communicate with that person into the future, basically forever, as long as that person keeps checking their email. So now whether YouTube shuts down or whatever, you still have connection with that person. And so either from YouTube they go to your Beatstars page and they purchase the beat, in which you get their email as well, or they want the free download, in which you get their email as well. So now with that email and growing your email list, you can email all of those people and you can send them either valuable information or you can send them entertaining content. And after sending them a lot of value or entertaining content, this starts to build a personal connection with that person. That's when you go ahead and ask them for the sale, and you can offer them a discount or some sort of other deal, like a 2-for-1 deal or whatever your deal is, something like that, to persuade them to make the sale. And so instead of using just YouTube to get people into your funnel here, you can get people from Instagram and also direct them to your Beatstars page, or people from Facebook or Twitter or whichever social media. You want to direct them all to one centralized place, which is your Beatstars or Airbit or your website. And then you get all the people from all these different places to go here, and then from there they get your email, or you get their email, and then from there you send them valuable content, informational content, entertaining content. And then once you've built that personal connection with them, then you ask for the sale and offer them a discount. So as you can see, this is a very powerful strategy, and this is also a very common strategy in internet marketing, and especially in this beat selling business. I think this is the most important and most powerful way of selling beats online, because if you're just have a YouTube channel and you want people to make the sale right away, that doesn't usually happen. Usually they first have to build a connection with you, and once they have that connection with you, then they're way more likely to spend money with you. And I'm sure you're the same way too. When you go to a store and you see a brand that you already know, you're way more likely to purchase that brand than a new brand that you don't already know. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please smash that like button. Also, hit subscribe to get more videos like this in the future. I'll be dropping a new video once a week. And if you have any other questions or requests or just comments on this strategy, drop them down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.